Baby, I'm magic. Ta-da!
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm like so excited because guess what? Today's Makeup Monday, so you know it's another box. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna get right into it. Alright, so this is one flap. Yes, I'm so excited. It's another unboxing of KKW Beauty. And so I'm just gonna get right into it. Regular paper. And this is what it looks like. And today I'm going to be unboxing Conceal, Bake, Brighten. And I'm so excited about this because girl, I got the whole kit. And I'm just gonna read what it says. It says KKW Beauty Concealer Kits includes Kim's signature 3-step concealing routine to conceal, bake, and brighten. Key anti-aging ingredients. And then the ingredients are listed, which I'm not gonna read right now. And how to conceal, liquid concealer under your eye, bake, use baking powder, pointing with the sponge, and then set, and then brighten. Conceal, bake, brighten. Girl, look at that. That is just so dope. I love this packaging, and I love this little advertisement flyer. It's like, it shows you what to do. If you're new to makeup, that's how you conceal, that's how you bake, and that's how you brighten. I'm going to get right into it. Look how beautiful it says KKW Beauty. Girl, I love it. Oh my gosh, look it. This is the KKW Beauty Concealer Duo Brush number 2. I'm gonna take this out the package. It's very soft. So here you go. It says KKW Beauty. This is the bristle side. This is the sponge side. So here, and then wipe away the powder. That's how that goes. Next, the second tool is KKW Concealer Duo Brush 1. Looks like this. This is so beautiful. I love this color, and this is really soft and fluffy. Look how beautiful this is. Like, it's like chromatic gold or metallic gold, whatever you want to say. To me, this is chromatic because I'm extra. But this is the side where you put the concealer on, and this is a fluffy brush, and this is you brighten like that, which I'm not going to do in this video today, but I will be doing a special tutorial that is just with the Conceal, Bake, Brighten kit. So yeah, I love the fact that this is dual-ended, so you could just be like, and you don't even have to pick up another brush. So like, that's like a genius idea. Kim, girl, you're a genius. Next, the concealer. Oh, look at this packaging. It's so cute. It says KKW Beauty, and I'm gonna open this. The ingredients and everything on the back, if you like to get into that. I'm not going to get into that in this video. Look at how beautiful is this, the concealer. I got concealer number 9 And concealer number 9 is for skin tones that are medium tan to brown. And look how beautiful. I love this color. This is like the perfect color for me. Nice. And I love the fact that the doe foot is flat on like both sides, so you could get like all up in there. It smells like regular concealer. It doesn't really have like a fragrance. Oh wow, look it says KKW Beauty right here. Next, this is to bake. KKW Beauty, and I got number 3. So it's like when you go on KKWBeauty.com, it's like if you buy concealer number 9, well then it goes with powder number 3. But also you can buy as like individuals. You don't have to buy the whole kit like I did, which the kit retails for like $80, but you can definitely buy the individual concealer, powder, and then the brightener. But I just wanted everything. I'm obsessed, so I got the kit. And then we're gonna open this. Ooh, I love this packaging. It's like so nice, and you know what I like about this? It matches like everything. Like I did a video unboxing Glam Bible. You can check that out also. And I love this. So it looks like this. It says KKW Beauty right there. It's a nice size. It's like nice for a purse. And I think this is like perfect for traveling too, because it's like literally under an ounce. That's so dope. You twist it off, and it has plastic right here, and then it has holes to sift it through, so you could shake it. I'm not gonna take off the plastic right now, but I'm so excited. Yay. And last but not least, her. Look at her. This is Brighten, and this is also a number 3, because like I said, I got the kit, so it just like picked it for me. Number 9 concealer with number 3, but you can choose whichever colors that you like. How beautiful is this? She is so cute. Oh my god, let me see this. And it, girl, it got a mirror, and this mirror is very vivid. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So the mirror is like right here, and then this is the powder, and this is how it looks. It says KKW Beauty. So yeah, I'm like so excited because not only do I get to play in more makeup, which I like absolutely love to do. It's a little bit hot, and now my hair want to sweat out. Anyway, I'm so excited because I get to play in more makeup, and look how beautiful this is. Like everything like matches together. So Conceal, Bake, Brighten, and 2 tools come inside the kit. So I'm just so excited. And guess what, girl? Today I am wearing this beautiful nude by KKW Beauty, and I'm wearing a little bit from the Glam Bible and the little lip pen. So yeah, thank you for watching my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what concealer you use, what baking powder you use, and if you use a brightening powder or not, because I do, because I need it. I like right here, I brighten like this area of my face and this area. But yeah, thank you for watching.